wind. So we don't have to use the lighter. Hey, good morning, welcome to Pathasara Travel Tales. నేను వెంకీ వైకుస్లోపరి. సో ఈరోజు నేను క్యాంపింగ్ స్టవ్ అన్బాక్సింగ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇంతకుముందు చేసిన క్యాంపింగ్స్ అన్నింటిలో కూడా చాలా డిఫరెంట్ స్టవ్స్ అని యూజ్ చేశాను, బట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ హ్యాస్ ఇట్స్ ప్రోస్ అండ్ కాన్స్. సో I got a new one today. Let's see if this is going to be the solution for outdoor camping cooking. So this is our new camping stove. So the best part of the stove is this is windproof. Windproof in the sense, generally when we go outdoor and then cook outside, right? There will be a lot of wind blowing and then flowing. But this one has got windproof. If you look at these things, right? Exactly. So this can be covered. This can be covered to avoid the wind, so that the flame will be directly concentrated on the cooking vessel. Okay, so right, so some of the camping stoves which I used in the past did not have this kind of windproof system. So what happened eventually, we had a little difficult time in terms of cooking, especially when we are cooking in outdoor with heavy or with minor winds as well. Okay, so this one has 4 stands as well outside, right? And the best part is we don't have to use there's a small knob over here, so we don't have to use the lighter, and it ignites the flame automatically. If you look at it, I mean, it will be very minor. I'm not sure whether it's visible in this or not, but it ignites the flame, right? Here we need to attach the gas cylinder. Alright, this one doesn't come with the cylinder, and when I got this one through Amazon, it was around 700 rupees, and we need to buy the cylinders separately. And this is the one, and then I'm gonna unpack this one and then show it to you right away. So alright, this is the one, Hans gas cylinder. So it's about, the net weight is about 250 grams, right? And then you can see all the instructions over here for what are the different kind of camping stoves that can be used, and then this is extremely danger. All these things can be used. So I have got this one for about 150 rupees, and then I'm going to share the link in the description. Probably you can check it out. Will this be sufficient for half an hour or 15 minutes or 1 hour or something? Probably once I use it in the camping ground, I can share my feedback on that. But first, let me connect to this one and then see how does it work. So this seems to be a little complicated when I tried fitting it first time, because I never done that before. We need to ensure this one is turned off before we could fit the cylinder. If not, it's going to make some sound. And so you see a small hole over here, and then this cylinder knob has to go into that and then fit in here like this. You need to turn it on, but yes, now this is how it has gone in. But if this is not turned off, it's going to make some sound, and then gas is going to come out over here, which looks a little scary since I tried this first time. Okay, and now this looks absolutely fine, and this is how it is. Wow, this is the perfect setup of a sound. And now I'm gonna turn this on since it has already a self starter. So let me turn this on and then use this lighter. So folks, we need to be extremely cautious. Do not think this is the small one, which may not cause any sort of hazard, but yeah, luckily I was escaped. There is some hair also burnt on my hand, but the thing is, I guess the automatic lighter might have not ignited on the first instance, so the gas came out. So I was not that cautious since I was using it this first time, but now I'm very clear about how to attach this one over here, and then make sure we turn this on when we're attaching it, and then how to turn it on and all those things. But nevertheless, we need to be extremely cautious on these things. These are highly flammable, right? So I'm not cooking anything right now on this one, but certainly when I'm go for a camping next, I will use this one, cook on this one, and then certainly pass on the feedback, right? So some of the great things on this stove is the wind, the wind walls which are there. The windproof system is something which I like the most. That's why I've gone for this one, and then this automatic lighter is the second thing which I like the most. So probably these gas cylinders we may have to carry 2 or 3 when we go for a camping. The reason being, it purely depends on the kind of quantity of cooking you're going to do on the camping. But if it's going to be a kind of guy for hot water or else noodles, I guess 1 or 2 may be sufficient for 1 or 2 days of camping, right? So and then the weight of the stove is 470 grams, and then this is about another 250 grams. So both putting together, it comes around 600 grams to 700 grams, which is again for a backpacker who's concerned about the weight and all those things. I'm sure this is not gonna be a problem, right? Unless you are a ultra lightweight backpacker. Alright, that's about this week's camping stove unboxing video. Hope you liked it, and we will meet with another exciting video in the next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.